Hello. Hello. Hi. La la loo. Yeah, you gonna tell everybody la la loo. Oh. La la loo. Tell everybody. La la loo. No? Oh. Oh, you need that? Yeah. That tastes good? Hello. Hello. Did you just burp? I think you did. That's funny stuff. That's funny. Yeah. You're so funny. You're so funny. I know. Yeah. You crack yourself up, don't you? Yeah, you do. You crack yourself up. Tell everybody, la la loo. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, serious. You telling secrets? You got secrets to tell Mom? Do you? You do? Don't tell Dad. You have to whisper them. Whisper the secret. You whisper it to Mom. Very serious. Yes. Can you whisper? Keep it a whisper.
He tells me secrets on the drive home.
You tell Dad to be quiet. Yeah. You tell Dad to shut it. Yeah, because you're telling Mom secrets right now. I know. What are you showing me there?
Listen, man, you know what you need to do? You need to let Mom work on CrossFit so you can have your chocolate chip cookies.
Quit eating that. Really?